Welcome back to our channel. Here at Covered 6, we utilize a variety of DJI enterprise solutions. We love them. DJI has been a big part of our operations, and we believe they make a really great product. However, right now DJI is under a lot of scrutiny, which may make it difficult to use these products in the future. Today, we're going to be looking at some alternative solutions to DJI. First, let's look at a brand that is probably more familiar to DJI users, Autel. The Autel Max 4T is one of the most advanced enterprise solutions on the market, and one we use regularly here at Covered 6. With a 4-sensor gimbal that includes a wide-angle lens, 160x hybrid zoom, thermal, and laser rangefinder, it delivers the same performance you'd expect from DJI flagship models. For our operations, the Max 4T has proved to be a great solution for public safety. Then there's the Anzu Robotics Raptor, designed for government and enterprise operations. Modeled after the very popular DJI Mavic 3T, the Anzu Raptor is built for endurance, AI-driven navigation, and secure data handling. The Raptor is quickly becoming a trusted choice for agencies that can't fly DJI. Lastly, the ACSL Soten is a next-generation drone built in Japan and now manufactured under strict NDAA compliance standards for use in the United States. Designed as a secure alternative to DJI, the Soten combines industrial-grade reliability with advanced autonomous flight features, making it ideal for public safety, critical infrastructure inspections, and tactical security missions. With its modular payload capability, it's engineered to handle challenging environments while ensuring data integrity. The Soten also leverages ACSL's proven robotics expertise and a US-aligned supply chain. The Soten gives government agencies and enterprise operators a trusted, non-Chinese options for high-stakes aerial operations. Together, the Autel Max 4T, Anzu Raptor, and ACSL Soten prove there are powerful, secure, and mission-ready alternatives to DJI, giving operators choice, compliance, and confidence in the sky. Thanks for watching. That's all the info we have for you today. We've heard of some other solutions that might be coming out of Ukraine that might be viable, but we will get you more info as we get that. If you found this video to be helpful, feel free to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos like this.